So the first thing that you want to think about when you're doing any sort of construction or repair on your house or whatever is safety. And for this job, the only things we're really going to need for safety are a good pair of gloves because of the scraping down there and the wood repair on the back. You want to make sure you don't get any splinters in your fingers, or even that the paint chips can get really sharp sometimes. You don't want to get those stuck in your hand either. And you also want to wear a good pair of safety goggles. That way when you're scraping, stuff doesn't fly into your face, or even tearing off that wood, it's going to splinter and break apart when we tear it off. So you want to make sure that that kind of stuff doesn't get in your face either. It's just, you know, it's more safe to have stuff not in your eyes. You also just want to make sure that there's always somebody around or somebody close by, a neighbor, a friend, that sort of thing, in case something does go wrong. That way you have somebody you can talk to, somebody you can get who can help you get help.